Look how beautiful and green he is. He ran. He's down in there. They're everywhere. I didn't realize how many iguanas. His tail is right there, that green, beautiful, vibrant tail. I didn't realize how many iguanas was in this area. Taking Muffet for a walk on Wednesday, preceding or after the storm. I think this destruction happened during. Although we did get a lot of outer bands that toppled down trees before we got the real serious stuff. Most of us are trying to do cleanup this week and trying to put that storm behind us and getting ready for the next. But we're troopers. We can do it. Muffet's trying to go to the bathroom, or she's just being nosy. One or the other. Okay, a lot of cleanup. Yep. So we've moved most of the trash out of the road so cars could get by. But most of us in this particular area lost trees and fence. So no lives. That's a good thing. Very good thing. Just a lot of trees. Great. Cats are still hiding out, thinking the storm is gone. But after storms, I find that it's best to just get out if you can and go for a walk or a jog, because it definitely helps relieve that stress. Or if you feel like crying, go ahead and cry. You know, it helps. Muff and I just get out and go for long walks. And we feel great. Come on, Muff. I don't know what's in there, but you're in there too long. I lost her leash. Don't know where anything is anymore. And I don't care. All is good. It's on the west side of my complex, looking out into the common ground. Just a lot of trees and fences. So there's going to be a long wait for a fence. There's if you can see through there, there's the Walmart truck. Walmart is keeping us very happy. That's the 874. So there's Walmart. Been hanging in there with us since it happened. Fantastic. Muff's huffing and puffing right now, and I know she had a good walk. But after these storms down here in South Florida, we always get a tremendous amount of heat. And if the electricity is out, you really, really suffer. Really suffer. That's why those with respiratory problems, breathing problems should be at the hospital where there's AC, or with family that has AC, or generators that could keep those fans going, because that heat really bears down on you. That's the aftermath. That heat and no electricity. Food is stinking out the house. Got to clean out the fridge. And the garbage pickup is slow. We were supposed to have garbage pickup yesterday, but no pickup. So, and then that brings rats and rodents and stray dogs into the community, cats. Then you have to deal with those issues when things are out of whack. But they don't stay that way. It's just something that occurs after a major storm. I'm glad the turtles stayed in the canals and the water moccasins stayed in the canals. The gators went somewhere else, thank God, because I'm definitely looking. They could be hiding underneath this palm waiting for you to come by so they can pounce on you, eat you. That's what I mean, eat you. They will eat you. Okay, but that's why I bring Muff with me, because they'll get her first, because I'm out of here. I will climb one of these coconut trees and a snap if one should, because they can run pretty fast on ground. They can outrun you if you're not careful. If they're really, really hungry and they want you, they will get you. The neighboring community look like they suffered just trees also. And fences. A lot of fences down. A lot of trash pickup whenever they get their act together. All right, Miami-Dade County, get with it. Pick up some of this trash. Everything is picked up in swoops. You gotta have it out where they can get it, or you'll be left with that trash. I have to call. Come on, don't go in there. It could be a gator in there. And this is my street. So most of us have very good friends. Came by and cleared up the grass and cleared up the yard and put everything on the curb. Excuse me. Because we need this trash out of here. No garbage. It's been sitting since yesterday. That's my debris. And they chopped down trees and tried to clear as much up as possible. Excuse me. My neighbor's debris. So his avocado tree came down, and they all look really bad because they were weather beaten, and then the sun's coming in here and cooking them. So, and some propped their fences up. And just trash everywhere. Just need a trash pickup day. Okay, this is where we're gonna stop and go back home. It's just too hot. And plus we've done 3 miles already. Time for a shower. Morning shower. Last PP. Okay, let's go home.